Hello, automotive enthusiasts. Before we start, I want to wish all of you good health, happiness, and success. May you always move closer to your dreams, especially the dream of owning your ultimate car. Now, let's dive into something truly monstrous, the Dodge Demon 2025. This car is not just a machine, it's a statement of raw power and unapologetic dominance. The 2025 Dodge Demon takes the legacy of muscle cars to a whole new level, building on the already iconic status of its predecessor. Under the hood, it boasts a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine that produces a mind-blowing 1,050 horsepower and 980 pounds-ft of torque. This sheer power launches the Demon from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars ever created. What sets the Demon apart is its innovative technology designed for straight-line speed. The car features drag mode suspension, designed to optimize weight transfer for maximum traction during launches. It also comes equipped with street-legal drag radials, ensuring you can dominate the quarter mile straight off the showroom floor. Speaking of quarter miles, the Demon clocks an astonishing 8.9 seconds at 151 miles per hour, a time that would make most supercars blush. The exterior design screams aggression, with an updated wide-body kit, massive air intakes, and a signature hood scoop designed for optimal airflow to the supercharger. The aerodynamic enhancements not only look fierce, but also improve stability at high speeds, making it a beast on the drag strip and a head-turner on the streets. Inside, the Demon 2025 is surprisingly driver-focused. While it retains its muscle car roots with minimalist controls, it doesn't skimp on comfort. High-performance bucket seats, premium materials, and advanced tech, including a customizable digital dashboard, ensure the driver is always in command. You'll also find a Performance Pages app, giving you real-time stats like GI forces, lap times, and engine performance. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Demon comes with advanced braking systems, adaptive suspension, and launch assist to ensure all that power is harnessed effectively and safely. Whether you're at the drag strip or on the highway, the Demon provides an unmatched driving experience. The Dodge Demon 2025 isn't just a car. It's an adrenaline-fueled beast built for those who crave speed, power, and dominance. So, what do you think of this monster? Is it your dream car? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.